Hello friends, welcome to our new session, 11th Commerce, Chapter 4, Introduction to Financial Markets. Choose the correct answers. Financial market facilitates business firms to raise funds. Capital market is a market for long-term finance. Primary market is also called as new issue market. Spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. How many times a security can be sold in a secondary market? Multiple times. Next question, very short answer. What are the components of organized sectors? Organized sectors consist of regulators, financial institution, financial markets and financial services. Second very short answer, write a note on financial market. Means what is financial market? A market wherein financial instruments such as financial claims, assets and securities are traded is known as financial market. So, buying and selling of securities is known as financial markets. Next point. What is spot market? Cash or spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. Example, settlement is completed immediately, means on the spot pay the cash and get the delivery of the instrument. Next one, what is debt market? This question has been asked in the AFIL exam. What is debt market? It is a financial market for trading in debt instruments. Example, government bonds or securities, corporate debentures or bonds. So this is known as debt market. Trading means buying and selling of financial market. What is financial market? Financial market means buying and selling of shares. Next one, how is price decided in secondary market? In secondary market, how the price will be decided? Financial markets allow for the determination of the price of the traded financial assets through the interactions of buyers and sellers. They provide a signal for the allocation of funds in the economy based on the demand and supply through the mechanism called price discovery process. Next, short answer. Give the meaning and definition of financial market. Meaning, a market wherein financial instruments such as financial claims, assets and securities are traded is known as financial market. According to Brigham Young's F, the place where people and organization wanting to borrow money are brought together with those having surplus funds is called a financial market. So this is the meaning of definition of financial market. So if you have surplus fund, extra money, you can invest into the shares. Next one, differentiate spot market from future market. Differentiate spot market from future market. This question is asked in the quarterly exam. Spot market, future market. Spot market is also known as cash market. Future market is also known as forward market. Spot market is a market where the delivery of the financial instrument and payment of cash occurs immediately. Future market is a market where the delivery of assets and payment of cash take place at a predetermined time frame in the future. So future date is mentioned, at that time delivery and payment will be made. Here on the spot, cash and delivery will be made immediately. Next one, write a note on secondary market. Wherever star is mentioned means this question has been asked in the quarterly or half-yearly examination and repeated questions. Secondary market is the market for securities that are already issued, means already the shares which is issued that can be traded in secondary market. Stock exchange is an important institution in the secondary market. So with the help of stock exchange, we are buying and selling the shares. Secondary market deals with resale of securities traded in the primary market. So already the shares which has been sold in the primary market first time, that shares will be traded in secondary market. Next question, bring out the scope of financial market in India. The financial market provides financial assistance to individuals, agricultural sectors, industrial sectors, service sectors, financial institutions like banks, insurance sectors, provident funds, and the government as a whole. With the help of the financial market, all the above stated individuals, institutions, and the government can get the required funds in time. Through the financial market, the institution get their short-term as well as long-term financial assistance. It leads to the overall economic development. Okay, so this is the scope of financial market. Next one, difference between new issue market and secondary market. Simple, new issue market means first time the shares will be given to the customer. The company will give first time share. Secondary market means already which is issued, they are traded with that share. They are selling that shares to third party. Meaning the marketplace for a new shares is called primary market or initial issue market. The place where formerly issued secondary securities are traded is known as secondary market, means resale market. Buying directly from the company, indirect from the company. Also, some other persons are selling the shares that only traded in secondary market. Here you cannot buy directly from the company. Buying and selling between companies and investors. Here only investors. Gained person, company will gain money. Here investor will gain the money. Intermediaries, here underwriters, here brokers. How can securities be sold? Only once. Once you sold, you cannot take back. Here any number of times, multiple times you can sell the shares in the secondary market. So today you purchase a share, tomorrow you can sold the shares to your friends. Next day your friends sold the shares to someone else. That is known as secondary market. Second question, enumerate the different kinds of financial markets or discuss the various types of financial market. So they said enumerate means only The headings you have to write, that is enough. On the basis of type of financial claim, debt market, equity market. On the basis of maturity of financial claim, money market, capital market. On the basis of time of issue of financial claim, primary market, secondary market. On the basis of timing of delivery of financial claim, cash or spot market, forward or future market. On the basis of organizational structure of the financial market, exchange traded market, over the counter market. So these are all the headings. Next question, discuss the role of financial market. This question asked in the quarterly as well as in the March 2020 paper. Saving mobilization. So 5 points is enough for 5 marks. Obtaining funds from the savers or surplus units such as household, individuals, business firms, public sector units. The government is an important role played in by financial markets. Investment. Financial market play a key role in arranging the investment of funds thus collected in those units which are in need of the same. National growth. Financial markets contribute to a nation growth by ensuring an unfettered flow of surplus funds to deficient units. Flow of funds for productive purpose is also made possible. It leads to overall economic growth. So national growth means when the money comes into the business of any country, automatically the growth of the company will affect the growth of nation. Entrepreneurship growth. Financial market contribute to the development of the entrepreneurial class by making available the necessary financial resources. Industrial development. The different components of the financial markets helps in accelerated growth of industrial and economic development of a country and thus contributing to raising the standard of living and the society's well-being. Fourth essay, what are the functions of financial markets? Intermediary functions. Transfer of resources. Financial market facilitate the transfer of real economic resource from lenders to ultimate borrowers. Enhancing income. Financial markets allow lenders earn interest or dividend on their surplus investable funds and thus contributing to the enhancement of the individual and the national income. Productive usage. Financial markets allow for the productive use of the funds borrowed and thus enhancing the income and the gross national production. Next point, capital formation. Financial market provides a channel through which new savings flow to aid capital formation of a country. Price determination. Financial markets allow for the determination of the price of the traded financial asset through the interaction of buyers and sellers. They provide a signal for the allocation of funds in the economy based on the demand and supply through the mechanism called price discovery process. Sale mechanism. Financial market provides a mechanism for selling a financial asset by an investor so as to offer the benefit of marketability and liquidity of such assets. Information. The activities of the participants in the financial market results in the generation and the consequent dissemination of information to the various segments of the markets so as to reduce the cost of transaction of financial assets. Next one, the financials, providing the borrowers with funds so as to enable them to carry out their investment plans, providing the lenders with earning assets so as to enable them to earn wealth by deploying the assets in productive venture, means work, providing liquidity in the market so as to facilitate trading of funds. So up to this, our this lesson will be completed.